Okay, out here at the Global Family Village. Today we've got the product. It's called ProtekNet and the hoops. So that's going to protect it. So thank you for those who contributed to the cause. So now the ground squirrels cannot get in here, or either can bunnies, or you name it. We found a weasel out here. There's gophers, birds. So this is how it looks. You get these hoops, you put the hoops down, kind of like playing croquet, and then you get the netting and cut it to length and stretch it and put it in these trenches, and then we'll put the dirt back in the trenches. Alright, so we're working here in the trenches today. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see in the sky, but there's a swarm of bees, I guess. There's all these insects flying around. Oh my goodness, what is going on? Okay, so a swarm of bees is coming through the farm right now as I was videotaping.
They're pollinators.
Yep, they are coming in from somewhere. Can you see them? Look at that. They were over there. Now they're going this way. Whoa! Okay, so here we are at the family farm, the Global Family Farm on Sundays. Daryl and I, Teresa Tree, and watching the bees go by. Come join us
and
on
we're not
Sundays
standing on the corner.
Mornings. Let him be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Look at all those bees buzzing. Oh my goodness, let them be.